Hi everyone and welcome to this video. During this time of the year, we love to get together and enjoy this gathering with our loved ones. Quebec's holidays tradition have some special unique things that we love to do. This video is to show you some of our Quebec's tradition. Let's see some of them. Before we start, don't forget to put your Christmas hat on, pour yourself a really nice cup of hot chocolate, and listen to my story about the Quebec holidays tradition.
First, Quebec has their own French music. And I'm not talking about the traditional Christmas song just translated in French. I am talking about songs that have marked the lives of Quebecers. If you want to listen to some of amazing Quebecers songs, we've created a playlist that you can click in the comment below. You will hear some of the most popular songs in Quebec from popular artists like
Merry Little Christmas, Merry Little Christmas, ba 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 ba.
La neige tombe sur le village et laisse un tapis blanc sur son passage. Un signe du ciel, bientôt ce sera Noël. Les maisons c'est Noël, c'est Noël, c'est Noël. Ouh.
La baguette pendant nous attaquons encore la dinde la dernière dinde du jour de l'an. Oui, je le risque l'estomac longtemps. Je le risque l'estomac longtemps.
This type of music is known as the folklore Quebecois, which are the folk stories of Quebec. A mix of culture with the English and French colonization in Quebec.
Hey, faites fret, on est-tu bien juste en coton ouaté? Hey, y'a l'air de faire fret, t'es-tu bien dans ton coton ouaté? Hey, faites fret, on est-tu bien?
The immigration of the Irish in the mid-19th century also influenced Quebec's culture, such as the rigodon. This is a type of dance that the Quebecers love with their folklore music. It originated in the 17th century and is a French folk dance for couples. It's basically a jumping quick step for two couples that switch partners during the song. You can dance this to the music that contains the violin, harmonica, and wooden or metal spoons instrument. La Bottine Souriante is a well-known Quebecers band that mastered this type of music. You don't need to be a dance expert to dance this type of music. Just bring your smile and have fun. Also, Quebec's traditional food during the holidays is quite different. They love to cook and have a big feast with their loved ones around a big table. Generally, you will find in the menu a roasted turkey stuffed with pears and cranberries, meatball and pig's feet stew, the tourtière from the Lac Saint-Jean, the sea pie, and also maple glazed ham, baked beans, meat pie, pea soup, marinated beets, glazed carrots, some mashed potatoes. And for desserts, Christmas gingerbread, the famous sugar and cream, and let's not forget the popular Christmas log cake. In other words, a lot of different kind of dishes that fit many different diets. You can find the recipes in the comment below if you want to try some of our most popular Quebecers dishes. And finally, don't forget to watch the Bye Bye. The first version of that popular TV show was in 1968. The Bye Bye is a Quebecois New Year's Eve sketch comedy special broadcast by Radio-Canada.
Simple de même.
Desjardins, on fait notre gros possible.
It's a yearly program that features sketch satirizing the past year events, followed by a countdown to the next year itself.
Nouveau burger sans viande?
Elle est mangée une fois, elle est vomi 4 fois.
Je vous jure qu'il n'y a pas de viande.
The subjects treated during this program are at the international, national, and provincial levels.
Hey! Y a-tu un fret?
So even if you haven't followed what happened in Quebec during the last year, you will be able to find it interesting.
Job à moi.
That is a good way to just sit back, relax, and enjoy the last minutes of 2020 while watching funny sketches on TV.
Thanks for watching this video. No matter how you decide to celebrate this time of the year, make sure that your loved ones are loved and that you've created some good memories with them. If you decide to celebrate some of our Quebecers holidays traditions, feel free to send us some pictures and videos to show us your experience. I wish you all a really good holidays and a happy new year. I'll see you guys next year.